Hi, I'm Dave Steiner. I'm the CEO at Waste Management.
Hi, I'm Puneet Bhasin. I'm the Chief Information Officer for Waste Management.
When we look at our business, we have three main objectives. First, we want to know more about our customer and how to service our customer than anyone else in our industry. Second, we want to know more about how to collect, process, and convert materials than anyone else in our industry. And third, we want to have that continual operational excellence, that search for doing things more efficiently, constantly at the business. And so when I look at IT, I take the first and the third of those and I say they are fundamental to those.
When you think about us as a company, we are a Fortune 200 company. We have 45,000 employees. We have 22 million customers. We have 1,200 locations. The demographics of our company are prime for technology. And that's what makes this entire opportunity so very exciting for me.
We're an industry that has relied for many years on call centers and human beings to interact with our customers. And that served us well for many years. But today, people don't want to interact with people. They don't want to call into a call center to answer the most fundamental basic service questions. So for example, it's Thanksgiving. And normally you pick up my waste on Thursdays. So what are you going to do at Thanksgiving? That's a question that is perfectly answered by self-service online. And so when you look at IT, it's a matter of finding out what areas of communication that your customers want to have, and then finding out the most efficient way to have those communications, whether it's through a call center, whether it's through the internet, or whether it's through email, phone blasts. There's just so many ways to communicate with customers. You got to find out what the customer wants, and then you've got to find out how they want to be communicated with, and that is particularly a job for IT.
And each of these customers has a different need from a customer interaction aspect. What we have done is enabled some of our trucks. We are still in the process of rolling this technology out. We have enabled some of our trucks where we can certainly track the truck. That's pretty simple technology using GPSs. We have enabled our key locations with GIS capability. So we know when somebody enters a customer or leaves a customer. We know when a truck enters a landfill and leaves a landfill. We have the ability to let our customers know where the truck might be and when the customer can expect the truck to be at their location. So that's just one example of how we are better enabling our customers to share the information that we are gathering.
The best thing that we can do for our customers is to give them total transparency to the data. And if we can provide total transparency all along that supply chain to our customer, they're able to find out what they're doing for the environment and, by the way, what we're doing for their bottom line to help improve their bottom line.
As an example, we have a business unit called Upstream that is really embedded into, say, the manufacturing process of one of our customers. And because we are so embedded into that process, we actually have a pretty good idea as to what we pick up. So the challenge partly is around what exactly is the data and what it is that we are picking up. But I think the bigger challenge is, how do we track this material through the various processes that we have? How do we take that information, like David said, share it with our customers, and then finally provide our customers with the analytical capability and the reporting capability so that they can see for themselves what's happening to the material that we are picking up.
What we found over the last few years is that our customers' needs have started to change. It's interesting because when you have customers that are coming to you and saying that they want you to help them with a zero waste program, and the name of your company is Waste Management, you better think differently about your business model, and you better think differently about the services you offer. And so what we've seen over the last few years is that it started out as a sustainability movement. And it started out with customers that wanted to get to zero waste. And we had, as Puneet mentioned, we had our Upstream unit that would go in and help them get to zero waste. In other words, help them to extract the value out of the materials. The beautiful thing about it is that because we were able to extract value out of those materials, it was able to save our customers money, but we were able to actually make more money. So it's turned into a great business model for us.